Sego Tewa'kerahkwen Tewa'kerahkwen Yojats Onkwehonwehne Tewa'kerahkwen Tewa'sawis na Tewa'kerahkwen Danu Asa Wage Weirdaya. Hi everybody, my name is Kendall Tewa'kerahkwen. I'm 25 years old. I'm from Onkwehonwehne and I have 3 children. So I went to Onkwehonwehne School and then I went to Cooper Academy High School where I then lost a lot of my language and culture. So after having children, I wanted to make it a priority to bring the language back into our home and into our lives. So fortunately, my auntie Robin de Gayaganta Marquise encouraged me to apply for the Yagwa language nest in Onkwehonwehne, where I began learning and reclaiming the language for my family. So there are definitely challenges in raising your family and your children in Onkwehonwehne. I think the biggest one would be staying consistent and persistent in the language, especially when life is so fast-paced and there's so much things going on. But I'm glad that I did stick it through for the 3 to 4 years. I've been in language nest from in Onkwehonwehne and Onkwehonwehne, and I think it was the greatest thing that I could have done for myself and for my family. So my advice to other parents wanting to raise their children in Onkwehonwehne would be just to start, no matter what level or age you're at. There's so many amazing programs and organizations that we have in our communities that we should take advantage of and begin your language journey too.
I enjoy speaking Onkwehonwehne.
Sego Tewa'kerahkwen. My name is Tisha Galakwiosta Thompson. I'm a grandmother of 8, 3 of which go to the Onkwehonwehne Freedom School, 2 in the school, and 1 in the language nest. It makes me feel proud of them, proud of their mother for taking that initiative, taking that step to teach her children the language. It's so nice to hear my grandchildren speaking the language in the car. They'll be conversing with each other and I just about choke up. I always have to tell their mother how it makes me so emotional to hear them, and I'm extremely proud of all of them for learning the language. It's definitely impacted our whole family.
Sego kanalati sake yumkats. Ezo wagatsununi ji kaya dale ogun'a o na doyenstene ganyageha. I'm very happy that my great-grandchildren are learning to speak the Mohawk language. Wakatunde ne akwajile dano aksota agitnistaha laganiha lo na dadi ne ganyageha. I heard my parents, my mother and my father and my grandmother speak Mohawk. I'm very happy that Kendall is encouraging me to speak Mohawk, and in that way, when I speak Mohawk, it brings it out, and I have that vocabulary inside my head. I just have to bring it out. Ona se wa kweko.